acids with alkalis now. Just one word about the word alkali. A base is the same thing. If a base can dissolve in water, like all of our bases there could, you can call them an alkali. So when I say a base or an alkali, we're looking at something with a pH greater than 7. If you react the two, they're like opposite ends of the scale. It's like taking a negative integer and adding it to positive, you're going to come closer to 0. And 0 is like your neutral point, like 7 on the pH scale. So they're going to neutralize each other. So these reactions of acids and alkalis are also called neutralization reactions. Having a look at page 4, just follow through on your notes. It says place 10 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. So I have 10 milliliters here measured off in the measuring cylinder, and I'll place this in the test tube. Right. Now I'm going to add universal indicators so we keep tabs on the pH, see what happens to it. Take a dropper and put in 3 drops into the acid. And just swirl it around so it's mixed nicely. As you can see, it's very acidic. Right, this is a very low pH value. And at the same time, we're going to read the temperature, because when a reaction takes place, the temperature changes. So we want to know when you add the alkali, is a reaction happening. And the temperature is round about, it's just below 16 degrees now, room temperature. Let's put it into the liquid, see if this is also 16. And I'll keep it in here so that we can see where the temperature changes as I add the alkali. Right, the notes then say, slowly add 9 moles of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. Right, here's the sodium hydroxide solution. Now I don't have a nice big dropper to add it. We will need round about 9 mils. So let me just measure off 9 milliliters of it. It's quite a lot actually. Let me just get a hold of it in first of all. Right, let's add it. Let's take note of what happens on the thermometer and what happens to the color of the universal indicator. Our solution's color. Stir it. Can you see the temperature? I can't see from the sides any temperature change. Right, you can see our solution color is getting lighter. Let's continue to add. It's going to take more than 9 mils. You can see that. Stir it, right. Slowly changing color.
Yes.
Can take a while, we're just going to be patient. See temperature change. Right. Temperature is going up, so there's a reaction. Okay, usually if you feel it, it's quite warm to feel. Normally add this with a burette. You can add it quite accurately and slowly. Right, you can see this. I need to mix this more. Right, continue. That kind of change there. We can see the pH is getting higher. The color is getting lighter. We might have to go into another container altogether.